Hey, what's up guys? So, it's Neil again. So, yan. So, we have some discrepancies on one of our reviews. So, yung ating, regarding dun sa ating dami batteries. So, after reading yung mga comments, so, I decided to pick this up again. So, I realized something that that was a user error on my testing. So, yan. So, nung tinest natin yung ating quick testing, nung tinest natin yung dami battery. So, after watching the video, I realized nakalimutan ko i-lock yung ating battery lead. Kaya hindi gumana yung ating daming battery. So, ngayon, itatry ulit natin kung talaga bang sira itong ating daming battery. So, ito yung charger guys, yung Ugreen. Ito ay 45 watt charger. So, and so, kung 15 amps, yung 15 watts yung kailangan niya. So this one is pretty adequate. Yung power. Ayan. So, testing natin. So, ayan yung ating naka-powered na yung ating battery. So, nung tinesting natin, nakalimutan natin isara yung lead. So, ngayon, testing natin ng nakasara yung lead. So, ayan. Ayan, so, ayan mga Lodi. So, working yung ating daming battery. Umilaw yung ating, tawag dito, yung ating memory, yung reading. So, on natin. Ayan, so, working yung daming battery natin mga Lodi. So, may discrepancies tayo sa ating isang review video. Ang problem is, hindi ko na pwedeng i-retract yung review natin sa Lazada. So, ililink ko yung review, itong latest video na to, na working yung ating daming battery doon sa aking faulty na review na nauna, yung kasama yung unboxing. So, ayan. So, working yung daming battery natin, mga Lodi. Try natin So, hindi ko lagi gamit itong ating camera. So, madalang ko itong gamitin, i-pick up. Kaya, hindi ko halos na ayan. So, hindi tayo ganun ka professional sa paggamit ng camera. Meron lang tayong konting kaalaman. Ayan. So, working yung daming battery natin. So, lilinawin lang natin yung ating discrepancies dun sa unang video. It is a human error. Yan. Ngayon, itong ating daming battery is proof na nag-work. And so, quality yung ano natin. So, kung may follow-up video yung ating review sa Lazada, ipa-follow up review natin na 5 star since working yung daming battery natin. Ayan. So, salamat mga Lodi sa mga nag-comment na yung lead, yung kailangan mamatay yung ilaw. So, yung isang comment na yun, na-realize ko na nalimutan kong isara yung lead do sa quick testing na ginawa natin. So, after nun, hindi ko na tinry ulit yung daming battery. So, buti hindi ko tinapon. So, inilagay ko lang siya kung saan dyan sa, sa drawer. Buti hindi ko tinapon. Ayan. So, I think it is 2 months ago. Ayan. So, ayun lang mga Lodi. Working yung ating daming battery.